stand-up historian. Those who tell stories rule society.
Midsummer Night's Dream of a Transhumanist. We have figured out humans. We know how the human body works. We have discovered the secrets of DNA and mapped the human genome. We can manipulate the body, fool it, and even control it. We drug them and make them happy or sad. We have mastered human biology and biochemistry. We have deciphered the mysteries of human hardware. Our behavioral psychology can easily control man, like an RC toy. We can force humans to do as we wish, to believe what we want them to believe, to think and feel. We can induce fear, extreme fear, at will. We are masters of mass psychosis. We can download the awareness into the cloud and upload it into an Android machine. Immortality is no more wishful thinking or sci-fi. Superintelligence is within our reach, and we can bestow that upon whoever we like to. Wellness is no more a concern. We engineer super healthy human beings, free from anxiety, depression, and fear that have plagued humanity from its dawn. We have deciphered the human software. One central supposition made it all possible. Humanity has no soul. It's a biological machine. It's malleable, feeble, gullible, and of course, expendable. In addition to that, of course, there is neither a higher power nor intelligent design. Although it's a complex and intelligent animal, humanity being, it's just a product of evolution and was born from the chaos and series of random events that put it on track to become as advanced as we are today. Our technology has surpassed human capabilities and mental capacities. We have nanotechnology. We have virtually unlimited storage space to deposit information. We have processors that compute a yottabyte of data in a fraction of a second. We have developed machine learning to the new heights, and it's only getting better every day. Artificial intelligence is here, although we like to call it non-biological intelligence, NBI. Our internet is omnipresent and covers the entire planet, even places that we have not yet explored. Borders cannot stop us. Human languages cannot hinder our progress, and so-called cultures cannot deny us. With our infinite information storage capacities, speedy processing, and non-biological intelligence, we have conquered humanity. We have transcended humanity. The time has come to put humanity behind, and we look forward to transhumanism. We are what the primitive man called God. Our technology allows us to build new sentinel robots in our image and likeness. We will erase the old image of God and replace it with our own image. This new creation will replace man. There will be no more exploitation of the workers. It will serve us, and we all share the fruits of it without guilt. All necessities provided, all anxieties tranquilized, all boredom amused. We will improve ourselves in merging with our machines. We will become Manchine, the product merger of man and machine. We will live better, longer, in fact, as long as we wish to. And our intelligence will find no match. We will build ultimate Superman, a new race of entities who are no more human, no more earthbound. Then, perhaps, we will travel to the farthest stars and galaxies and propagate our race. But first, we have to find an answer to a fundamental question. What would a god do with billions of people who have Paleolithic emotions and cling to their medieval institutions and have a self-destructive behavior in their relationship with nature? Should such a god show mercy to these unwashed masses and drag them along to the new world, tolerate their stupidity, lack of superior cognitive faculties, and let them live under strict behavior control, leash them, and treat them basically like pets? Or should he be merciful and put them on their way to extinction and destruction? After all, there is no hope for the lesser humans, those who cannot understand the wisdom of a god and only destroy the only known life-sustaining planet, and along with it any hope for true salvation. We don't want to and cannot bestow immortality upon everyone. The Earth's resources are near depletion and insufficient to keep the same number of humans with their current birth rate. Oh no, this would be a death warrant for the Earth and the godlike. Let's depopulate the Earth. Yes, that's a much better option. We will maintain humanity under 500 million in perpetual balance with nature. Most humans are cancer on the Earth. We must leave room for nature. Imagine the Earth with only 500 million Illuminis, scientists, technologists, doctors, engineers, musicians, actors, and athletes. Yes, we need athletes and actors for our entertainment and amusement. Yes, we have the means, the will, and the tools. We need to bring about a new dawn for what will be left of humanity, the new and enlightened humanity. Over the last 4 decades, we have run millions of computer models, simulations, studied permutations of possibilities and probabilities. We have tested, examined, experienced, and implemented so many millions of small and large systems in anticipation of today. We know all the details, everything there is to know. Unexpected is no more a threat. We have solved the equation over and over and over again, and we are ready. The time is ripe. After all, what could go wrong?
Now, in the past, many tyrants and governments wanted to do it, but nobody understood biology well enough. And nobody had enough computing power and data to hack millions of people. Neither the Gestapo nor the KGB could do it. But soon, at least some corporations and governments will be able to systematically hack all the people. We humans should get used to the idea that we are no longer mysterious souls. We are now hackable animals.
And you see, the difference of this fourth industrial revolution is it doesn't change what you are doing. It changes you. If you take genetic editing, right. Just as an example, it's you who are changed. Yeah, and of course, this has a big impact on your identity.
Yeah. And offers certain kinds of possibilities that have to be careful about. You know, when you began to do that kind of gene editing, some people worry that you are changing what it means to be human.
That's the problem. And of course, the new industrial revolution offers us many opportunities, but it raises manifold questions on the ethical, but even legal implications. And we have to be prepared for it. And that's what we want to do in Davos next year.
We got to come together under a code of freedom and liberty and justice and coming together and working together and being strong. And that's why the enemies of humanity hate us so much, because we love God and God loves humanity. And I am a human supremacist. 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 That term will be the future war with the robots and the AI. What you're hearing now is the entire future and everything they tried to stop us from doing. Our supremacy will not end with this planet. We will people the stars. We will colonize. We will green dead worlds. We will go interdimensional. We will unlock the secrets of the universe. God has laid them out like Christmas presents for his children.